When you search for the best Cartier women watches, everything looks the same. Same claims, same shiny photos. But to understand what truly shines in quality and style, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, gold vintage bracelet watch. First up is the gold watches for women with small vintage bracelet. This little gem caught my attention with its sleek rectangular case and elegant Roman dial, priced at just $23.79. If you want a chic yet affordable watch that complements both casual and formal outfits, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With its two-tone design and tiny Roman numeral display, this watch stands out without being too flashy. It's designed for comfortable, long-lasting wear, thanks to its gold-plated bracelet and reliable Japanese quartz movement. Plus, it's got a 3 ATM waterproof rating, so you can wear it while washing your hands or when caught in a drizzle. With a solid 4.5-star rating from over 3,600 reviews, it's clear people are loving it. Now, some people complain about the size being too small, which might not suit everyone's taste. Here's the thing though, if you appreciate a delicate, vintage look, this might be just perfect for you. This is perfect for you if you want an elegant, everyday watch that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you prefer something larger or more statement-making. For the price, it's fantastic value. Now, if the small size bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, gold classic Roman dial watch. Next up, we have another stunning option, the gold watches for women with small vintage bracelet, also priced at $23.79. This one has a striking gold tone that really catches the eye. If you want a watch that's both timeless and chic, this should be on your radar. What's cool about this piece is that it features a classic rectangular shape with a gold-plated finish that adds a luxurious feel. The Roman numeral display not only looks classy, but also makes it easy to read the time at a glance. Plus, with a 3 ATM waterproof rating, it's practical for daily wear without worrying about it being damaged by water. With a similar 4.5-star rating and over 3,600 reviews, it's clear that this watch has struck a chord with buyers. Some users did mention that the clasp can feel a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, as long as you're careful with it, it's not a deal breaker, especially considering how beautiful it looks on your wrist. This is a great pick if you love classic designs that pair well with any outfit. Skip this if you want something a bit sturdier or if you're not a fan of gold tone watches. At this price, it's a steal for such elegance. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who appreciate a touch of luxury. Product number 3, vintage gold rectangular watch. Now, let's talk about the watches for women vintage bracelet Roman dial rectangular case, priced at $25.16. This one really stands out with its luxurious gold case and elegant design. If you want a watch that brings a touch of sophistication to your wardrobe, you need to check this out. This watch features a classic rectangular shape that's perfect for all occasions. The gold-colored stainless steel bracelet is not just stylish. It's designed for comfort with a secure folding clasp. Plus, the 3 ATM waterproof feature means you can wear it without stress during your daily activities. With a solid 4.5-star rating from over 800 reviews, it's clear that this watch has become a favorite among users. Some buyers mentioned that the watch might feel a bit heavy. Here's the thing. For those looking for a substantial feel, this is a plus. But if you prefer something lightweight, you might want to consider that. This is perfect for you if you want a watch that's both elegant and functional. Skip this one if you prefer a lighter feel on your wrist or if gold isn't your color. For under $30, it's a great investment. Now, if you like the vintage style but want something even more unique, wait until you see our next pick. Product number 4, elegant gold women's watch. Coming up next is the gold watches for women with vintage rectangular case, priced at $25.99. This watch caught my eye with its elegant design and beautiful gold finish. If you're looking for a watch that combines style with durability, this is definitely worth considering. This piece features a delicate rectangular case that really stands out. The adjustable stainless steel band allows for a perfect fit, which is a huge plus for comfort. It's also water-resistant up to 3 ATM, meaning it can handle daily splashes without any issues. This watch has a fantastic 4.7-star rating from nearly 800 reviews, which shows how much people appreciate its quality and design. A few customers noted that adjusting the strap can be tricky if you're not familiar with the tools. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's well worth the effort for a perfect fit. This is ideal for you if you want a stylish and adjustable watch that makes a statement. Skip this if you're not comfortable with adjustments or prefer a ready-to-wear style. For under $30, it's a solid choice. Alright, that was a stunning option. But if you appreciate a classic look, the next product might be right up your alley. Product number 5, Classic Square Dress Watch. Finally, we have the classic square watches for women with Roman numerals, priced at $23.99. This watch is a true classic and perfect for anyone who loves a vintage vibe. If you want a chic and dainty piece that goes with everything, this one is a must-see. This watch features a small 25mm diameter case with vintage Roman numerals, making it a great fit for both casual and formal outfits. The Japanese movement ensures accurate timekeeping, and the battery can last up to 24 months, which is impressive for a watch at this price point. With a solid 4.5-star rating from over 1,600 reviews, it's a popular choice among buyers. Some users express concerns about the size being too small for larger wrists. Here's the thing. If you prefer a more petite watch style, this could be perfect for you, but it might not work for everyone. This is perfect for you if you love classic styles that make a subtle statement. Skip this if you have larger wrists or prefer bold designs. For under $25, it's an excellent deal. To wrap it up, we've looked at 5 beautiful Cartier-inspired watches that range from elegant vintage styles to classic designs. Each offers something unique, so there's definitely an option for every taste and budget. Product number 6, Best Pick. To wrap it up, we've looked at 5 beautiful Cartier-inspired watches that range from elegant vintage styles to classic designs. Each offers something unique, so there's definitely an option for every taste and budget. Whether you're after affordability or luxury, these watches have you covered.